Look, Alec, there's a roof tent.
Yeah.
A roof tent in action. Doubt they're camping though. And kids playing on the beach. Lovely. Tell you though, Alec, this road surface is really good.
Really?
This Oshi, really simple to use. Have you got your visor open because I can hear a lot of blast?
I'm surprised it doesn't blow your head back when you've got the front up.
Yeah. I know, I was just saying this Oshi, really simple to use. Even on the go when you're riding, with gloves on. Ah, some cracking houses here as well,
Lovely, eh? Look at the view though. So if you had to buy the house for it.
Oh aye. Be blooming cold in the winter though.
So's Livingston.
Aye.
Well, that was a good choice yesterday, and an even better choice today.
Aye. And these last couple of days I've just flew in there.
I don't know. But at least we've done something.
Aye.
It's better than I'm flying in and done nothing.
Absolutely. Look at that view to the left. And there's temporary lights, bloody hell.
That's a better setup.
You like it?
Yeah. It's the same setup as you've got, only I've got this antique underneath it, innit? But that stores all the info for me.
Yeah.
So far today we've done 101 mile.
What's mine saying? 98.1 for me.
Well, I drove from my house up, didn't I?
Yeah. They must be reinforcing the bank in there. It's a good few miles we've knocked out this weekend.
Well, we'll not be out next weekend.
Nah. So yeah, it'll be close to, if not just over 500.
The road to Tinnerbrewing was quiet, eh?
Aye. I only need to do 237 miles a day to hit the 500. Yes, so I fancy either a Mickey D's or a BK. I don't do KFC, I think their chicken's foul.
Yeah, you throwing a joke in there.
Yes. But as it's honking. There we go, the view opens out again.
There's a ferry terminal to Belfast.
Top of the morning.
Been that a few times.
Never been to Ireland, 75.7 miles to the gallon.
Which give me a clue. Give me a clue.
He's seen the 30 mile an hour speed limit sign and he's jumped on the brakes. French, so we need to give him a wee bit space,
Got that? Is that the finish of Hadrian's Wall?
No.
Well, it looks like it. A big house in there. Here we go, Ken Ryan.
Yeah. What if you lived in Cairn Ryan and your name was Ryan Cairn? And there's the ferry.
There's a lane closure ahead.
There's a lane closure ahead according to the nice young lady at Google.
That's traffic lights.
Cracking houses, eh? Right, still there. Wee duck in the water.
There is.
That's Donald. There we go. Cracking wee houses, though, eh?
Aye.
Wonder if they get splashed on when it's really violent and rough.
Good scoops.
Alright, they're all going on the ferry. Bye bye.
I bet they were across it noon.
Probably. Aye, not long now. Stranraer. Here we come. We're coming. Nice wee bungalow that,
Aye. Good view.
Aye. Can't believe how good this road's been, as in surface wise.
That's good.
Makes a change, yeah.
Aye.
We'll go back into the city tomorrow and it'll be potholed to hell. The water just looks so still, eh? And here we are, Stranraer. And an abandoned hotel or something by the looks of it.
That must have burned down. I wouldn't live in this. I wouldn't like to live next door to it.
No. Stranraer welcomes you. The Royal Borough of Stranraer welcomes you. Look at the wee pontoon things. Aye, the wee greenhouse things.
Bloody hell.
Aye, there'll not be in there like. You go in there and your ice cream will melt instantly.
Look at that dog's trying to walk in the shade.
Aye.
The shading.
Nah, I wouldn't be bringing a dog out in this heat. Well, give East Ayrshire Council their due, about the state of the roads. They're really good.
Now we need to find somewhere to eat. There's a Greg's. Might go to Greg's.
Is there no McDonald's? I fancy a McDonald's again.
I'll go up here, right, and I'll put it in the sat nav.
You can charge your bike if you're needing a charge.
I thought about that. Parking charge of £100. Go fuck yourselves.
Mm-hmm.
No, I think it's a Greg's.
Alright, Greg's in. Park it under the shade.
I think so.
Right outside Screwfix. That's shade, there's a shade there. There we go.
Perfect.
Perfecto. Well, we've come to lovely Stranraer for a Greg, so I hope they've got something worth eating.
find out in a minute.
What's that you've got?
Tastes like an orgasm.
Apart from having an orgasm. Steak bake.
Steak bake.
So I've got a mince pie and a baguette. We went healthy with a salad and the fruit and crisps. How did you get one extra item? She's greedy.
Well, I got extra like.
The fruit.
You got awful.
I know I was. Right, let's crack on. That pie's nice, but it's bloody freezing.